What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we're gonna go over the days of the week in English. But before that, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. All right, guys, now that we got the pronunciation down, let's go ahead and speed it up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now that we know the days of the week, let's go ahead and make sentences with them. I go to work on Monday. I go to work on Monday. I go to the beach on Wednesday. I go to the beach on Wednesday. I hang out with my friends on Thursday. I hang out with my friends on Thursday. Great job, guys. If you guys like this video or learned something new, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.